Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to see about Maryam OSINT tool. Today we are going to see about Maryam Tool. It is a modular open source framework based on OSINT, used for data gathering. As shown above, we have to copy the tool link from the GitHub website. After copying the link, we have to paste the git clone command with link in the terminal to clone the tool in our system. Here we are changing directory to Maryam folder. The command above is used to launch the Maryam tool. When you press enter, the tool's version is currently displayed here, and this command, it shows the complete usage of the commands present in the tool. And show command is used to display the frameworks present in the tool. Here we are displaying the modules present in the tool with different categories in it. We could choose the modules based on the purpose. Here, we are selecting the email search module, and it has displayed the options present in the email search module with examples. And this command is used to get the email list from the tool. And in this command, -q means the type of mail account we want, like Yahoo or Gmail. And -e means to select the type of search engine we want to search, like Bing or Google. And in -output is used to save the output in the workspace. Here is the output we have got from the above command. Here -l means it represents the limit of the emails we want, and in -t means how many threads in the command. And when we press enter, it will display the result with a list of emails. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, and do subscribe to our channel, Briskinfosec.